Hello. Hello.
Hello? Yeah,
How are you?
fine. About you?
I'm also fine.
Good.
Good. So,
Uh, you're from Bangladesh?
yes, I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
No, no, no. Morocco.
Do you know Bangladesh?
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Have you any friends?
Yes, I have friends in Bangladesh.
I have a friends also in Morocco.
In Morocco. Yeah.
I work for him. Okay, I work for him. I reactive is on GMC and another two
Uh,
GMC and I have.
bro, you reactive GMC.
Yes, 2 days ago on account reactive and another
So,
fourth GMC I have, but
that's
still
good.
one is suspended after 15 days. I am disappointed.
That's good, brother. So you have a good method.
Yes, obviously, and we always research
Yeah.
on it. We have
Okay.
agency. We have agency.
Yeah, yeah.
We work.
So you work like a team.
We work like a team. We always research
That's
and find out how we can reactive GMC.
that's good, bro.
If
You
you
you can show me how, bro?
yes, I can share you. But first of all, I need to know how you work. How is your policy? If I notice that your method and my method same to same, then
Okay,
I
wait,
will.
I send you my store. Okay.
No, just share your screen and show me.
Ah, okay. Share screen. Wait for me.
Okay, screen your share your screen.
Wait,
That will
wait
be
for
better.
me. I will up. Okay. This is share. Okay. Yeah, you're dangerous. Okay. You show now.
Okay, I can see your desktop.
Yeah, you see.
Yes, I see.
Okay,
Now
that's good.
go your
Wait.
your your
This is GMC.
is your own GMC or you work as a freelancer?
No, no. I actually I am a dropshipper. You know.
Oh, you are a dropshipper.
Yeah.
How many store you have?
Okay, wait. I have all this, and I will show you another store for jewelry. Wait for me. Okay, not here. James C. Global. Okay, I will show you something, bro.
Okay, show me.
You show now. Okay, connection. We have a slow connection.
Slow net connection.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
All are
Okay,
Shopify.
that's
All are Shopify website.
yeah, yeah. It's Shopify.
Shopify is the best
Uh,
for dropshipping. Okay,
WooCommerce is you know. Okay, wait.
so go to your ad.
Okay, wait. Don't know what is the problem. Okay, wait for me. I will look someone in the Wi-Fi. I want to ask you, bro. Oh wow.
Ask me anything.
Okay, wait for me. for is connect for my. You work in Google Ads and you have any method.
I work Google Ads. If your Google Ads suspended, also I can
You ca-
reactivate. I have
you,
method.
you can you can reactive Google Ads also.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's good.
I'll show you later. After see your
Okay,
website, I will
that's
show you something.
you work drop shipping or like that or just
No,
selling the account.
I'm a digital marketer. I'm helping.
So what you work just for selling GMC?
Yes, I am a digital marketer, and my role is to create and design Shopify store and
Okay.
managing any drop shipping
That's
business. And if any clients Google AdWords or GMC will be suspended, I will reactivate, and also I will do marketing to bring sales. I
that's good. That's good.
I also set up Google Tag
If
Manager, ZF4, conversion API, server side tracking. That's my
that's
role.
good, bro. Wallah. Mashallah, mashallah.
I am a digital
That's good.
marketer. You know.
Yeah, yeah, I know. If you have a method AdWord, I wish you to work. You know. Okay,
Okay, this is your website.
I work. Yeah, this is my website.
Okay.
You can check that.
Yes, I can see.